So there's some bears just behind that bin. There's a mama and 3 baby cubs. Oh my god, you can see them out the side.
She's huge. There's rubbish everywhere already.
Yeah. Messy little critters. It's so big.
We saw bears the other day as well. She's way bigger than the one we saw the other day.
Oh my god, she's standing up in the bin.
Originally the camera. Oh my god.
She moves the bin so easily.
Yeah.
She's lifting it up. Oh my god, she doesn't tip it over.
Where's she going?
She took a whole bag.
Remember, if she starts to head over here, you shut the doors.
Yeah. There's people in tents like literally 20 meters away in a tent.
I would not want to be in a tent here.
Tents and really small caravans everywhere here. What they have done is put bear cans on a string around their tents. She can push that around so easily.
It's funny, like she strategically like gets stuff and takes it back.
Yeah.
And the babies just like play around. I hope they're not like uncomfortable with all the lights and stuff.
I guess if they keep going back every single night.
Yeah, they're used to it.
Yeah.
It makes me sad, like, is there not enough food in the forest for them? Like berries and fish and...
I think it's just easier maybe. So the bears left about half an hour ago, but now a police car's turned up and threw out some fireworks, put on his sirens, made a bit of noise, checked that the bears were gone, and then has gone up the road, I take it, to do the next thing. There's a national park on the other side of the road, and so that's where all the bears are, so I think the ranger's trying to keep them in the park.
The bears are back. There they are. Oh my gosh. This is crazy.
So cool.
So cool. See how many people are outside the cars? Oh, come on there. Why is my camera focusing?
So cute, they're all walking over together.
My camera's not focusing.
Two little cubs ran back across the road.
So cute.
Yeah.
Oh my god, why are you listening?
Mum and the other bear ran across.
She got scared, didn't she? Why are they trying to get them to like...
Yeah, I think there's someone. I don't know. There's a family here.
Of bears?
No, of people walking up.
Why are they walking?
A huge group of about 25 people.
Really? I can see.
Yeah.
They got kids. There's a kid on the shoulders of it. Oh my god, keep going.
These people are walking right past where the bears are.
I think they're walking. I think they have to, Ryan.
Yeah.
They haven't done it on purpose. They're not coming out to see them. That's why people were yelling and whistling. Because
I don't think she's carrying another bag, is she? Oh no, there's still another cub over there.
what's she doing? Why is she turning around?
Does she have something around her neck? A bit shiny.
Kind of look like it.
She does, she's got something around her neck.
I think it is. A bell?
It's not making any sound, I think. I think it might be a tracker or something.
Maybe there's a trackers on it. Oh.
That'd be so cute to be in that car seeing all those 4 bears run in front of you. So we've had a few days in the van just working and stuff, and so I wanted to go for a walk. So I've found a little lookout called Posta con Stelle and thought I might go check that out. I think it's about an hour's walk. It's a lovely day, blue sky, nice and sunny, not too hot. So it should be a good one. There's half of an old sign saying watch out for bears, and we know from last night that they're definitely around, so we'll have to watch out for them. If you see one, just run away, I guess. Whew, it is a long climb. I had a look at my iPhone before and it says I've climbed 60 floors. It's no wonder why I feel so hot. So from the map it looks like I'm around 2/3 of the way up the mountain and it just gets steeper. And this might be the place where I was meant to come to. This mountain's beautiful. Check this out, it's so beautiful here. It's amazing, the mountains, trees. Too beautiful, too beautiful. So I've come to a crossroads now where there's 4 ways I can go. I had a look at some of the signs, but I think they all go on a lot longer treks, so I think I'm just gonna head back the way that I came, get back to camp, and yeah, it's cool. It's so beautiful here in the woods.
We're just waiting for the bears to come back. Someone came along really fast and almost hit the bears, and most of them got off the road, but one of the baby ones didn't, and the car just kept kind of like chasing it slowly, and the bear just kept trying to run away from it, whereas the driver should have braked so the bear could get away. I think the bears got a bit scared, but it was really cute because after that one of the other cubs went and cuddled the one who was chased. So cute. So now we're just waiting to see more bears. The bears are back. Tonight there's like rubbish everywhere because it's the weekend, so the bin was already full, so they haven't tipped it over yet. They're just, see, there's that car came in, she like stood up to look. I want her to stand up like in the middle of the road with the lights perfectly on her. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.